What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new RC that we have already unboxed. It is the TRAXXAS Stampede. This is the two-wheel drive version. Didn't want to pay extra for the four-wheel drive, but yeah, I like the looks of it. Brand new chrome blinging wheels. Tires are all clean and obviously brand new. Haven't seen any road wear yet, but that will change. We got the battery all charged up and ready to go. Got the cover right there. This is the blue guy. If you're following me on Instagram, you would have known that we here at No Pros picked up a new RC. So if you're not following and you want to stay in the loop, follow us at no.pros.rc so you can get the inside scoop before, I put anything on YouTube. So with that being said, stay tuned. This is just kind of a quick video. I already unboxed it. Basically it just comes with, the truck itself, the cover. Here we got the controller right here. And underneath here we got the stickers and instructions and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you're also following me on Instagram, you would also know that there is yet another TRAXXAS coming to the channel. So you might want to subscribe for that, and you might want to go over to No Pros to follow us. I will reveal once it gets here what it is, and you will know before the YouTube. So it's important that you follow us both on Instagram at no.pros.rc and subscribe so you can actually see it live, well, on video, that is what it is that we got. So stay tuned. Now that this is unboxed, charged up and ready to go, we're going to take it out there and test it and see what she can do. I'm super excited to put her to the test. Gotta get some batteries and the controller here, and she's, like I said, charged up and ready, and put the cover on it. I also have a wheelie bar for this that I have to go out to the mailbox and get. It just got here from Amazon. So, but before I install the wheelie bar, I really want to see if it needs it. By it being two-wheel drive, I would think, hopefully, maybe it needs it. I'm hoping that it has enough torque to, do wheelies, and then put that wheelie bar in there to kind of save the cover a little bit, But yeah, we'll see. So stay tuned for all that. Sorry I haven't been posting lately. The Omicron version has been going around and doing major damage, and that's all I have to say about that. But still here, still doing RC things, and I appreciate all you guys' support. So please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned, because we're going to get this Stampede on the road in the next video, and you don't, I repeat, you don't want to miss it. All right, thanks guys. So until the next video, y'all be easy and stay safe. Peace.